Hello everyone, hope you are also doing well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Product Secrets. In this video I'm going to talk about Listerine Cool Mint Mouthwash. For that, please do watch the video till the end because I will be giving you the full information related to this product. First of all, let's get to know why we should use mouthwash. We should use mouthwash. That's because whenever we brush our teeth, the brush cannot reach to every corners of our mouth. So due to that reason, the germs can still remain in some parts inside our mouth. So to avoid all that, we should include mouthwash in our personal hygiene routine. Now let's get to know what benefits we can get by using this mouthwash. So this mouthwash has so many benefits like Number 1. This protects us up to 24 hours against germs, bad breath, plaque and also gum problems. It protects us from everything. Second benefits. It has got unique formula of 4 essential oils which deeply penetrates to remove the bacteria. Next, let us get to know when we should use this mouthwash. So as usual, brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night. So along with that, you should also include this mouthwash twice a day. Put the liquid in your mouth for about 30 seconds and then expel it out. So friends, you can use this once in the morning and before going to bed at night. Here it is given that you can take 20 ml twice a day for 30 seconds. But friends, it is not necessary. You can only take 10 ml if you want. Also remember this clearly. Whenever you use this liquid, do not rinse your mouth with water or eat and drink for 30 minutes post-rinse. So it says that you should not swallow anything before 30 minutes whenever you use this mouthwash. Also do keep it in mind, one important thing, that do not allow your children who are under 12 years of age. That's because they might not know the right usage of it and might swallow accidentally, which is not at all good. You can also find this in other travel-friendly packages like pouch and all. Also, you can find them in other flavors as well. So guys, now let's also get to know about its ingredients. So it has purified water, sorbitol, alcohol, benzoic acid, sodium citrate, eucalyptol, flavor, methyl salicylate, thymol, sodium benzoate, menthol, chlorine, etc. You will get this for 140 rupees for 250 ml quantity. And it has got 3 years of shelf life. And you can easily find this in any medical stores or shops. It is available in both offline and online stores. So friends, if you found this video little helpful, then please like this video, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.